So I just finished making all these items in this Capybara crochet kit, and it is so cute. Spoiler alert, I highly recommend this. This is what it came in, and it's just a cute little box, great for like a gift. It even came with a card, like a gift card. And maybe you are supposed to give it as a gift. I don't know. I bought it for myself because I thought it was so cute, and I love capybaras. And this is what came in the kit. Just a instruction book for just the basic stitches. Very nice, thorough, and with nice pictures. This is the actual patterns for the capybara and all the hats. And I would say it's very good. It also comes with the video on how to make it. So if you get stuck, or if you're a beginner, you can go ahead and scan the QR code, and it takes you to a YouTube video to show you how to make these capybaras and all the items in it. Even after making these two cute little guys, funny how this one's bigger than this one. I made this one first and this one second. Yeah, isn't that so weird? This one's a lot bigger. I think because I knew what I was doing with this one, it was easier. I don't know. My tension must have been a little bit looser. Who knows? But they both came out super cute. I was amazed because, yeah, I haven't made that many complex amigurumis, and this one actually came out really cute. So was very happy. And the accessories are just adorable and easy to make. I would have thought these little hats would have been a little bit harder, but they're actually super easy, and they all came out really cute. So this is the birthday hat. This is Santa hat. This is the two strawberry hats in the red and the pink. And yeah, I mean, it is so adorable. This is what the inside looks like. And this is the amount of materials I have left after making two. So I could definitely make another one with this much. Maybe even two, because there's actually a lot of this color and the light brown, which is the main, body pieces left. So yeah, and these are all the colors I have left. Of course, everyone's going to be crocheting a little bit differently, but yeah, I mean, there's so much left, definitely enough for another. So these are the yarns that it came with. It even came with a practice thread, which was really nice. So you can actually practice all these basic stitches without worrying that you're going to use up something from the kit. I ended up not doing that, and I just used the white. But yeah, so I have an extra white. This is all the things that came with it. So I did use the crochet hook, and it was perfectly fine. I loved it. Came with a needle, 3 stitch markers, and a hot glue, which I did not use because it tells you to glue the pom-pom onto the hat. But really, you can just attach it with the yarn and then tie a knot and tie a bow or whatever you want to do. So that's optional. Some things that I did add to this kit when I was making it, because I was taking it all around. I was doing this in the car at my kids' practices, is I prefer, this isn't my favorite either, I prefer a metal tapestry needle, but one with a bigger eye. Or you can also keep one of these in your kit. It's just a yarn threader, because you are switching or using the needle a lot. I did find the eye of this needle okay, but it was just a little bit smaller, so it was a little hard to get. But once you have one of these to stick in, it's perfectly fine. And also, I prefer this type of stitch marker because you can just kind of put it in one-handed. You don't have to do the clasp or anything like that. And I always carry this a random post-it to keep track of where I am in the pattern. Just makes it easier for my eyes when I keep looking back and forth. This is a scissors, very handy also. So yeah, really you had everything you needed. Just probably the scissors was essential. But these guys couldn't have come out any more cute and soft and squishy. I love the pattern. I will make it again and again. And I'm thinking of making a bigger one with the pattern, using fatter yarn so that the capybaras come out a little bit bigger. But yes, highly recommend this kit. Perfect for a gift. Loved it.